Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the envelopes indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator works similarly to the moving average indicator, with the difference that instead of one line, it shows us two lines or a range on the chart. The upper line is obtained by adding a deviation to the moving average, and the lower line is obtained by subtracting the same amount of deviation from the moving average line.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
We can use this indicator in two ways. One is to consider the price interaction with this range instead of the price interaction with the moving average. And the other way is that if we increase this deviation, it can be considered as a channel similar to Bollinger Bands, where the price moves within that channel and does not exit it. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the moving average period, used in the calculations of this indicator. The second option is the shift of the moving average to the right, or the lag of the moving average. The next option is the method of calculating the moving average, which is set to simple by default. The next option is the price on which we calculate the moving average, which can be any of these prices, with the default being free close. The last option is deviation, where we calculate the ratio of the moving average of these two lines. This number, which is called deviation, can be between 0 and 1. It can be a larger number, but usually values greater than this become so large on the chart that they are not displayed. Values between 0 and 1 are the conventional ones used. As you can see, I added this amount, and you can see that its band and the channel it created become larger. Let's see the live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We can definitely also use the MT5 version of the indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's see the live test of the indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.